Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download Steam Workshop mods without owning the game on Steam. This is super useful if you bought your game on something like Epic Games or another launcher, but the only place to get mods is the Steam Workshop. So instead of rebuying the game, I got you. Let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is go to the first link in the description, or just search on Google WorkshopDL. Once you're on the page, go to Releases and click on WorkshopDL version 2.0.4. There might be a newer version when you're watching this, so just pick the latest one. Then scroll down to Assets and download WorkshopDL installer.exe. Once it's downloaded, open it up. Click Yes when it asks for permission. It's safe. Then just go through the setup. Click Next, agree to the terms. Click Next again. You'll see it only takes like 4 megabytes, so it's super light. Then hit Next and install. Once it's done, go to your search bar and type WorkshopDL, then open it. At first it might look confusing, but it's actually really simple. All you need to focus on is 2 things, the workshop link and the provider. Now go to Google and find the mod you want from the Steam Workshop. In my case, I'm using Cities Skylines because I bought it on Epic Games and the only mods are on Steam. I'm going to download a mod called Harmony. Copy the workshop link. Now go back to WorkshopDL and paste the link into the workshop URL section. Then you'll see different providers. The best ones are GG Network SWD. These don't need any extra setup. There's also Steam CMD, but that requires extra steps. I'll make a separate tutorial on that. So just select GG Network or SWD, then click Download. It'll start loading, and depending on the size of the mod, it might take a few seconds or longer. Once it's done, it'll ask if you want to open the download location. Click Yes. Then just copy the mod files and paste them into your game's mod folder. And that's it. Your mod should work. Just keep in mind, some mods don't work this way, so in some cases, you might actually need the Steam version. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I've got more tutorials coming. See you in the next one.